Hey guys, MCD Plays back with another video today. And last video I just didn't know what to do. Came up with something, finally. It took me like 3 months. I'm sorry, I'm uploading videos very slowly, so I'm going to make sure to do that more. Yeah. And today... I sneezed earlier. Sounded weird. So, I'm gonna sneeze. It'll be the weirdest sneeze in the world. Better get ready. Some popcorn hot on your freaking brain, cause it's gonna be crazy. It might scare you to death. Okay, I'm gonna start sneezing. Achoo! Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notifications. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to share. Achoo.